Hi, welcome back to the Sassy Granny Quilt Along, and we are on week 4. So week 4, we're making another 6 blocks. So I have my blocks. I've got all 6 of them done, and they are pretty much more of the same. But the same happens to be so lovely. So I hope you are getting to enjoy your blocks as much as I'm enjoying making mine. I keep staring at them and smiling. I hope you're getting that same fun. And this is why I always say to use fabrics that you really, really love, because it really makes the process, even better. Okay, so if you're just now jumping in or just now hearing about this quilt along or coming in at a later date and just want to watch some of the videos, the week 1 video shows cutting and organization, week 2 shows how to make the block, and week 3 shows my workflow, where I just show chain piecing all the blocks at once, and it's how I usually just work when I'm on my own. So not much of a video this week. I just want to hopefully keep you inspired. Yeah, so that's gonna do it. So enjoy making your blocks. Definitely, we're all doing this, I think, for the process, right? Because the finished quilt is lovely, but making it is even lovelier. So don't forget to post your progress on Instagram using the hashtag SassyGrannyQAL. And that's it. I will see you next Wednesday. Oh, and I almost forgot, I have so enjoyed looking at all of your blocks over on Instagram. I really appreciate all the tags. It's so much fun seeing you work on this quilt, and it's fun making this quilt with you. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I hope the rest of your week is wonderful.